Today I'm going to share with you two brand new websites which are both in beta testing. So at this moment in time, they are free. Now the method we're going to be covering for making money online today is, well, it's free for a start, but the potential with this is just incredibly huge. So I'll share with you the websites, I'll share with you how you can use this method yourself. And basically by the end of the video, if you really want to start making money online, this is a great option for you. So let's dive in. Hello and welcome to another video. So let's just start with this over here. So the first website I'm going to share with you is this one over here. I'm sure you're all familiar with this. Obviously this is Etsy. Now up here I've just typed in the word patterns. And bizarre, I mean look at this, 673,000 people a month are searching for patterns. But we're going to take it a few steps further than this. Because I was looking for something a bit unique earlier. Things like what we can see over here, these seamless patterns. Now, this is a great option for the method we're looking at today. If we scroll down, we've got other ones over here, like this one, this one. There's lots of different ways of doing this. Now, before the video, I was doing a bit of research and I came across this shop over here. This one over here, okay? So this shop, as you can see, has had 52,000 sales, which is insane, okay? And are they selling anything, unique, out of the box? No, they're not. If we scroll down here, we can see they are selling patterns, examples, fishing patterns. What is that? Baby dinosaurs, animal skins, honeybee samples, and these are all, as you can see, digital papers. So basically, any of these, if I was to go ahead and buy one of these now, the owner of this shop would get money instantly. The other cool thing about this is, not only will they get paid instantly less the Etsy fees, they don't have to worry about posting this item or packaging it or shipping it off or any of the normal stuff. They're all digital products. So if we look at this one here in the shop, okay, if I was to go ahead and buy this, we would get 22 seamless animal skin patterns, okay? And then if on the right hand side over here, if you scroll down, you will see this product is a digital download. Come further down the page here, it tells us what we're going to get. And if we scroll a bit further on the page here, we can find more information about this, okay? Straightforward and simple. Now, to validate the idea a little bit further, something like this, if I come back over onto the shop here, come up to the top. Now you see this is a free Chrome extension, so I'll leave a link to this down below. It's called Alura. Now if I click on here, what Alura is going to do is it's going to go through this shop and it's going to start populating all of the products in here. So you can see all of the products are starting to appear here. Shows me the shop name. I can see the price. I can see the favorites, if someone's favorite today. But more important than that, we can see the total number of sales, and then it breaks it down further. We have got the monthly sales down here, and then we have also got on here the monthly revenue. So you can go through this exact same process, download the Alura extension. It will go on here. Once you're on Etsy and you've clicked on here, it will bring this up, and you can do this on someone's shop. You can do it on the home page here, and basically do it wherever you like. So you can go through here and start to have a look at these different products and the different items people are selling. Then what you can also do is, see here where we've got this drop down button. If I click on there, it will give me more information about this listing. So it will show me the title. It will show me all of the tags over here. If I want to copy these for my own listing, I'd simply click on copy all to clipboard, and I have got them. And then obviously I can click on there and it will take me over to the listing. So it's a cool little tool and it's free, okay? So if we wanted to go ahead and create something similar like this, there are a number of options for you. So the first piece of software, which is absolutely free, is this one over here, which is called tilemaker.app. And how this concept, I mean, blimey, that screen's a bit crazy. How this concept works is, whatever you type in here, it will go ahead and create a design here for you. So you can see I've just typed in tiger skin pattern and it's brought up this over here. If I was happy with this, I can simply go ahead and download this and use this as a starting point, okay? Or I could just go back over here and start having a look and start typing in some different options. So if I wanted something like, let's type in snake skin pattern. Let's just change that from tiger to snake skin pattern. Oh, sorry, snake skin pattern, and click on make a tile. What happens here is it says starting up. It normally takes 20 to 30 seconds, and then it goes ahead and creates one here for me. Blimey, they're very psychedelic, aren't they? So you can play around with this as much or as little as you like, okay? And over on the left-hand side here, you've got other options, so you can download this current tile, you can link to it and other bits, okay? So this is called tilemaker.app. So you can use this to get your skin. Now let me come off here because it's honestly driving me nuts. So we could use that website over there to create these these tiger skins or anything what we type in there. The other option you have with this method is you could come over onto Discord in one of these. Which one am I in? Oh, I'm in Midjourney. So you can come into Midjourney, or you could go into a free one like, where is it? Where is it? Let me show you this one. It's called Blue Willow. And basically, over in these AI art generators here, whatever anybody types in here, it will create an image for you. So then I thought, well, continuing with this tiger skin pattern, I have just searched it inside of here, and we can see it's 370 results for a tiger skin pattern. So you can scroll through and have a look at all of these. And not only can you have a look at them, you can make use of these different prompts inside of here. So if I go back up to the top here, and we can see, look, that's just this one here. Let's just go up and have a look at some more. And we'll literally, if I click on here now, it should, yeah, it's taking me here. So what I can do is, I could take this as an example, okay? All of this quote here, and I could copy the text. Now, down here, this is where we type our prompt into Midjourney, and it would create this. Now, let me just go into my own private server, just so it's a bit quicker for you. So I'm going to type in / imagine prompt, and I'm going to paste that into there, okay? Now, I'm just going to get rid of these two little stars here. I'm also going to get rid of this over here, like so. Get rid of that. And I'm just going to hit on that. And we will see what this AI generator is going to create for me. Because essentially, look, it's a seamless design that it's going to create for me. So once this has been done and it comes back, you could then take it a step further and play around with this. Now, I did say these are free tools, so obviously I'm using Midjourney. Midjourney is not free, but you can do the same process with Blue Willow. It works in exactly the same way, except for Midjourney is $10 a month. Blue Willow is absolutely free, okay? So you put a prompt in here and it will create one. It'll create 4 different options down here for you. Once it's finished, and again, it works pretty quick, you can see we have got these different images here. So if I liked any of these ones now, I could upscale those images, which basically means it will enhance the image and make it more usable. So if you wanted any of these, you could click on here and it would upscale them. If you liked one in particular, so like this one down here, I could get the software to create different variations of that. So if you don't know, this here is 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I wanted more stars like this, I would click on V4, and basically it's going to give me different variations of this over here, okay? But this is literally the concept exactly the same as what these people over here are doing, whether it's doing animal skins over here, whether it's, you know, these different fishing laws or baby dinosaurs or what's this pink animal seamless digital patterns or any of them, the concept is still the same, okay? So we go ahead and we get the softwares, whether we're using this one or the tiles one, to create the images for us, okay? Once this has finished and we're happy with our images, we go ahead and we literally download them from wherever we are using them, okay? What on earth is that? Is that it? That cannot be it. I don't know what's happened with that one. Variation strong. That's really bizarre because that is the one we wanted. Unique spend. I don't know what's gone on there. Let's try that again. Version 4. Make variations for image 1 with prompt unique. Yeah. Don't know what. That is nothing like that. And sometimes, because obviously this is AI, you know, sometimes we will get these bizarre images back. The other thing I forgot to mention as well is on here, if you're not happy with any of these, you can simply click this button here, like so, and it will go ahead and create it for you. And here we go. So now this is bringing me up the variations of this, okay? So yeah, so this is the concept. We just play around with this until we are happy. Once we've got one of these that we're happy with, it's like these ones here look pretty good now. So if I click on there, it opens up. If I want to go ahead and use any one of these, I can go ahead and download them. Once I've got my images downloaded, there we go, it's still working. Once we've got these images downloaded, we can then take on them over to a website like this one over here. And again, you can see here, look, it's free whilst in beta, so still free. And basically, we can drag our images in here, and then it will convert that from a JPEG or a PNG, and it will change them to SVG vectors quickly and easily, fully automated using AI. So we can get vector or SVG images from here. And then once we have got those images, we can then go over into a platform like something really simple like Canva, and we can put all of our images together into a file. Once we have those files, this is the process of what people are doing over here on Etsy. They're taking those files, they're uploading them as a digital product, they're putting in their title up here, and they're putting in some information or a description about the item. So if I click on here, we can see information about this product. You can see lots more down here. So all we're doing here is we're looking on Etsy to see what's working. We're using free AI tools and software to create our image. Then we're upscaling our image so we have it in different formats. So one file, we could have a PNG, we could have a JPEG, we could have a vector, and also an SVG. We have a number of options with these. And then we are putting those listings over onto Etsy. And because obviously we're also using Alura up here, we can see what's selling in existing shops, so we can create our own variations of those products. It's pretty straightforward and simple. I'm still baffled by this, to be honest with you. Now, those websites that we've looked at, they're just a number of options. There are many other places whereby you can go ahead and use them to create different patterns. So one of them I can't remember the name of it. Let me go ahead and show you. I can't remember it. Sorry, I'll show you now though. I've got it inside of here. So let me go into the university. Let's go to printables and free resources. Yeah, so over here, let's go down to Repper, for example. If I come onto this website over here, look, make seamless patterns like a pro. So you can upload an image into here. And how it works is basically you upload an image, and then you can take any part of that image and create a unique pattern, as you can see over here. It's awesome. And then you can take that image and you can sell it as a digital file like we've spoken about. But then you can also change it up like what we can see on here. You could offer this as merchandise using websites like Gelato, Redbubble, Gearbubble, all of these print-on-demand places. They're all free, and most of them will connect into Etsy, so you can take one file or one image and you can be making money with it in a number of ways, and all of it is hands-free, because whether you go ahead and use, I'll show you that now. So if you were to go ahead and use a website like Gelato, like this one over here, let's come on here, global print on demand. The great thing about this method over here is, look, it connects with Etsy, and they've got lots of different options for you. So one style or one pattern, you could have it on a phone case, you could have it on a cup, a t-shirt, what's that, a canvas picture, a drinks bottle, and lots more. And if I come over to, where is it, integrations, you can see here, they connect with Etsy. So once you connect this up for free, scroll down here, look, connect Gelato to Etsy, start selling, and then you can see here, take it easy, the order ships. Basically what happens is once you connect the two, someone buys from your Etsy store, and then this company here handle the entire fulfillment process and produce close to your customer. So what happens here is, instead of a website like Redbubble or Gearbubble from memory, whereby they have lots of warehouses over in the US, this one over here, this Gelato, they've got warehouses all over the world. So instead of it taking 14, 15 days for shipping, with these guys over here, they've got warehouses a lot closer. So you can see on here, this is the network, 132 providers in 32 countries. So you could actually speed up the whole process of when somebody buys a product, of getting it delivered. But your job essentially is creating the listings and then driving the traffic to those listings over on Etsy. And that's it. That is the whole process. But again, all of these things here that we have looked at, other than Midjourney, can all be done for free. It just takes a bit of time and effort. And look, this is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to this method of selling digital products, especially if we are looking at a platform like Etsy. I mean, the options really, the options are just unlimited. They really are. If you are in the university, go through the printable section because we cover all of this: how to set up your Etsy shop, customizing your shop, different software for printables, AI, and lots more. But yeah, that is today's video. So what do you think of this method? Do you have any questions? If you do, please let me know down below. So yeah, take care and I'll see you soon.